Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I was doing this over the weekend and thought I would film the rest. I'll have to zoom in here a little bit. I was using these Winsor & Newton travel palette that I do have a video on my channel for. It just has the 12 colors, but you can do a lot, as you can see with my mixing trays. And then there's the little water bottle here and so forth, but it's a cute little set. So I went and watercolored the main gist of it, and I often will do that and then finish with colored pencils or Inktense pencils or something that's a little more textural on top. Just today I'm going to use the Polychromos Faber-Castell and go ahead and add some detail. I do have a couple pencils around here missing, so hopefully I won't need those. Go ahead and sort of hopefully bring to life here. I've got some hills in the back and this little house, and then the driveway that you can't really see, and then these near trees here. So I want to start sort of defining those things. So I'm going to grab a brown and I'm just going to kind of do some coloring here. So maybe I'll put some music on. I'll have to see if I can find some to attach when I'm editing this. I'm going to go ahead and take the paper off away from the painting. And let's see, this one's on top. Got a little bit over the edge there when I was watercoloring. I had a lot of black, but it's fun. If you take pictures outside and I was trying to get some depth in layers and just kind of practicing with that. So anyway, make a fun little card, I think. Put it digital paper, and then sign that. It's fun. All right, thanks guys for watching today. I hope you have a great day and a creative day.